And Charlie, can you tell me a wee bit about you are now caring for your
I'm
daughter?
caring for my daughter, Sinead O'Donnell, Flood.
And what age is she?
She's 5.
Tell me about how it's been since.
It's been hard for me to bring the Sinead up. It's a lot of hard work in it.
What kind of things has she been saying about her mummy and her brother?
She's asking away about her mum and James, and she talks about her granda, O'Donnell, as well. And I just tell her that there's 2 bright stars in the sky, that she goes to the door and looks up and says good night to them.
Charlie, you were at the back when the...
I was at the back of the house when I heard all the noise going on. I didn't know what was going on until Catherine's sister and her partner came up the drive and said there was an awful explosion in Creeslough. So I went away with them down to the home place, and Thomas's wife took me and Sinead back out to my home place again, and I didn't hear nothing until the next morning.
On the news reports, you saw Catherine's
yes,
car.
and I just switched the TV off. I couldn't deal with it anymore. I just seen the full explosion and where the car was sitting, and I switched the TV off.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking it wasn't good.
And you waited all night, and then what happened the following morning, Charlie?
The guards in Mulford rang me and said that I am so sorry for your loss.
And how has it been since that day, Charlie, for you?
It's been hard. It has been hard. Lot of things going through your mind. Could you have helped her?
You've all come together now, though, so tell me why you've come together.
We all came together now to get answers for what has happened that day, but the guards could not give us the right answers when we did ask them. They just put it off, and for the 2 years, you think that it was just closed. There's nobody, even in my own village, there's nobody there, even in mentioning it to me about Creeslough.